Welcome to the overview of shellcode. In hacking, a shellcode is a small piece of code used as the payload in the exploitation of a software vulnerability. It is called shellcode because it typically starts a command shell from which the attacker can control the compromised machine. But any piece of code that performs a similar task can be called shellcode. Because the function of a payload is not limited to merely spanning a shell, some have suggested that the name shellcode is insufficient. However, attempts at replacing the term have not gained wide acceptance. Shellcode is commonly written in machine code. Shellcode can either be local or remote, depending on whether it gives an attacker control over the machine it runs on or over another machine through a network. Local shellcode. Local shellcode is used by an attacker who has limited access to a machine but can exploit a vulnerability. For example, a buffer overflow is a high-privileged process on that machine. If successfully executed, the shellcode will provide the attacker access to the machine with the same high privileges as targeted process. Remote shellcode. Remote shellcode is used when an attacker wants to target a vulnerable process running on another machine on a local network, intranet, or a remote network. If successfully executed, the shellcode can provide the attacker access to the target machine across the network. For more updates on software testing, please subscribe to our Testing Master channel and click on bell icon for instant notifications.